What have we learned from structural failure case studies? Imagine a bridge suddenly swaying or a building collapsing unexpectedly. These events might seem rare, but studying them reveals many lessons about how structures can fail. When engineers look into these failures, they find that problems often come from a mix of design mistakes, construction errors, poor materials, or not enough inspections. These case studies are like lessons from the past that help us build safer structures today. One big lesson is that checking the design carefully before construction is vital. For example, the Hyatt Regency walkway collapse happened because design changes were made without proper review. This caused the load on the walkways to become too much, leading to their failure. Doing thorough reviews and independent checks can catch mistakes early and prevent disasters. Another important point is that construction quality matters a lot. The Sampoong department store in South Korea collapsed because of illegal modifications and overloading beyond what the structure was built for. This shows that strict oversight and following building rules are necessary to keep structures safe. Material quality is also key. The collapse of the Commonwealth Avenue Bridge in Boston in the year 2000 was due to concrete that was not strong enough and rebar that was improperly placed. Testing materials and making sure they meet standards can prevent such failures. Inspections during construction are another lesson. If workers remove formwork too early or don't brace parts of a building properly, it can cause failure. Continuous supervision and checking help catch these issues before they become dangerous. Understanding how structures respond to dynamic forces like wind or earthquakes is also important. The Tacoma Narrows Bridge in 1940 failed because engineers didn't fully account for how wind could cause vibrations. This led to better testing and modeling of aerodynamic effects in later designs. Ethics and communication among engineers and builders also play a role. Failures often happen when codes are misinterpreted, schedules are rushed, or less experienced workers are involved. Clear communication, proper training, and sticking to professional standards help avoid these problems. All these lessons have led to better building codes, more detailed design reviews, improved testing of materials, and more focus on learning from past failures. For example, forensic engineering now investigates failures to understand exactly what went wrong. Training programs emphasize ethical responsibility and good communication. In the end, studying these failures reveals how many factors come together to cause a breakdown. By analyzing what went wrong, engineers can spot potential weaknesses early. This helps prevent future accidents and makes our infrastructure safer. It's like solving a puzzle. Each failure teaches us a piece of the bigger picture about how to build stronger, more reliable structures.